Get up. Wake and leave the bed. I get up at 7 a.m. Wake up. Stop sleeping. She wakes up early. Turn on. Start a machine or light. Turn on the fan. Turn off. Stop a machine or light. Turn off the TV. Sit down. Take a seat. Please sit down here. Stand up. Rise to your feet. He stood up quickly. Come in. Enter a place. Please come in. Go out. Leave home for activity. We go out at night. Look for. Try to find something. I look for my phone. Find out. Discover information. I found out the truth. Give up. Stop trying. Never give up. Pick up. Lift or collect something. She picked up the bag. Drop off. Leave someone somewhere. He dropped me off at school. Put on. Wear clothing. She put on a coat. Take off. Remove clothing. He took off his jacket. Run into. Meet by chance. I ran into an old friend. Bring up. Mention a topic. She brought up the issue. Look after. Take care of. She looks after her sister. Look up. Search for information. I looked up the meaning. Look down on. Think someone is inferior. Never look down on people. Carry on. Continue doing something. Carry on your work. Break down. Stop working. My car broke down. Break up. End a relationship. They broke up yesterday. Call off. Cancel something. They called off the meeting. Check out. Examine or leave a hotel. We checked out early. Come across. Find by chance. I came across a photo. Come back. Return. Please come back soon. Come over. Visit someone. Come over tonight. Cut down. Reduce something. I cut down sugar. Deal with. Handle a problem. She deals with customers. Do over. Do again. I will do it over. Drop by. Visit briefly. I dropped by his house. Eat out. Eat at a restaurant. We eat out often. Fill out. Complete a form. Fill out this form. Figure out. Understand something. I figured out the answer. Get along. Have a good relationship. They get along well. Get back. Return. I will get back soon. Get over. Recover from illness. She got over the flu. Give back. Return something. Give back my book. Go ahead. Start or continue. Go ahead and speak. Go on. Continue happening. The show goes on. Grow up. Become an adult. He grew up here. Hang out. Spend time together. We hang out after class. Hold on. Wait briefly. Hold on a moment. Keep on. Continue doing. Keep on studying. Kick out. Force someone to leave. He was kicked out. Let down. Disappoint someone. I will not let you down. Log in. Enter a system. I logged in quickly. Log out. Exit a system. Always log out. Move on. Continue with life. It is time to move on. Pass away. Die. His grandfather passed away. Pass out. Faint. He passed out suddenly. Pick out. Choose something. She picked out a dress. Point out. Show something. He pointed out the mistake. Put away. Place something properly. Put away your clothes. Put off. Postpone something. They put off the trip. Put out. Stop a fire. They put out the fire. Run away. Escape quickly. The dog ran away. Run out. have nothing left. We ran out of water. Set up, arrange something. They set up a business. Show off, display proudly. He shows off his bike. Shut down, close a system or business. The shop shut down. Sit back, relax. Sit back and relax. Sort out, solve a problem. I sorted out the issue. Speak up, talk louder. Please speak up.